Guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm filming something a little different. 100% of this is being filmed from my phone on a very small tripod. I might need a little help from Mama. Cooking on the Monument Grill. Got a couple steaks. Quite frankly, I just didn't have time to set up with the bigger cameras and whatnot. So we're gonna try this, see how it goes. And it's a little windy, so hopefully not a lot of wind noise. So guys, let me show you a couple top sirloin steaks. We're just gonna throw over here on the Monument Grill, grill them up. It's gonna be a pretty fast cook, and we'll see what happens. Come along, guys. Hey guys, our big rub we're doing tonight here is this Brazilian. This is brand new from Grillaholics. It's Brazilian Steakhouse rub. We're gonna hit that on here, but first I'm gonna throw a layer of just some SPG on here. Just kind of layer it up some flavors. This was actually recommended from Grillaholics when they sent this to me. So we're just gonna hit this up with a little layer of SPG. Oop, that's almost too much. I don't want a whole lot on there. Hit a little bit over here. A little bit over here. These are, I'm guessing, about 8 or 10 ounce little top sirloin steaks. Should be a fairly fast cook. Let's go ahead and hit this over here on this side too while I'm here. All right. Now for the star. This is that Grillaholics. I've never used this before, so we're gonna see how it goes. Well, let's see how I'm gonna use this. I always have trouble when the bottle's new. I hate to say that, but it's almost like they're too full. This stuff smells awesome, guys. I'm gonna turn this over and do the same thing. When that fire gets hot, we're gonna get this on the grill. Shouldn't take us very long. I'm really anxious to try this. My neighbor chose this night to cut down a tree. I'm very thankful of that. Guys, this should not take that long. Go right over here. There's some good searing going on. We'll check back in about 3 or 4 minutes. Right at 4 minutes. Let's see where we got. Oh yeah, it's looking pretty good. That's all we're doing, guys. We're gonna let that cook for about another 4 minutes, and we'll come back and see how we did. All right, guys, let's give these things a turn, and we're gonna check some temps here. I bet we're about there. If not, we'll pull them up top and let them bake a minute. Check some temps here. I'm looking for about 135, 140. And we're good medium. We're not even a medium. We're about medium rare, which is I'm okay with. I'm gonna pull these up top just for a minute. Let them come on up to our desired temp, and we'll get them off of here and go eat. Yeah, we're there, guys. That didn't take very long. I didn't think it would. Get these off of here, go inside, let them rest a minute, and we will give them the taste. guys. This will go right there. You know what? I'm just gonna come in here. I'm gonna cut this right down the middle, just so we can see what we got here. It's a little bit more medium. I'm good with this. That's a good medium. A little bit more done than what I wanted. But I'm gonna come in here and get a bite of this, and let's give this a taste test. All right, guys. Just to test. This layering of seasoning was something Devin from Grillaholics actually suggested. He probably been on a ribeye, but we're doing it on sirloin tonight. Give her a taste. That's awesome, guys. Mom already told me she already took a bite, so it's good. She approved it. It is very good. I got to do another bite. That combination of seasoning, the SPG, plus the Brazilian steak rub, both from Grillaholics. Excellent, guys. Even on the gasser. That, excuse me. I'm sorry. That's better. Tell you what, that Monument Grill does really good on these cooks too. So, tell you what, give her a shot. Down below here in the video description, I have a code or a link to Grillaholics site. That'll get you 20% off if you choose to buy this, guys. Tell you what. So, guys, as always, thank you so much. I wanted to try this little style of video. Something I haven't done in years, to be honest with you. So tell me what you think. Tell me what you think of the video quality, and let me know if you've tried this this seasoning, guys. Till next time, God bless you guys. We'll see you on the very next video. God bless.